Good morning, students. Let us continue the first chapter. The name of the chapter is The Three Questions. Yesterday, I had given you in the first video, the half of the chapter I had explained to you. And let us today continue this same chapter. So, I request all of you to pay attention while I explain to you. So, this is the first I have exposed before you the picture of the hermit whom the king has gone to meet to get those three questions answer in the forest. This is a hermit here. Hermit means a sadhu who lived a lonely life away from the people. So this is he is a hermit here and working in the forest, digging the ground for something, sowing the seed. So now this is after this we shall go and read. Now, yesterday, as I concluded there, yesterday's story, while I was explaining, the king had gone to meet the hermit to get those three questions answer. And he was asking, he help, and he says that let me help you, for you are tired. Seeing his condition, so thin man. So what he say, while he's digging, doing the work, he is uh, while he's working here, a man comes from somewhere there running. The hermit, let us see who it is. The hermit says, then here, let us see who is it. Then the king turned around and saw a man running out of the forest, and blood was flowing. The blood was flowing from his leg, and reached the king and fell on the ground. And the king washed the wounds as best he could and bandage. Now here the king, as soon as the man is running and coming, wounded like anything, blood is flowing out from his body, bleeding too much. So as he comes, he falls at the feet of the king, and then king is washing his wounds and bandaging his wounds and with his handkerchief and with a towel which the hermit had tied around his on his head. So here now towel. Here he has used a towel and a handkerchief to take care of that man as he comes running away, wounded like anything. Now, when at last the man, now hermit has taken, now this king took him in the hut of that sadhu, वो झोपड़ी के अंदर लेके गया उसको. फिर उसके बाद में उसने उसको अच्छा पानी दिया और he felt better. And by as the evening fell, this man slept off, and this king was dead tired, and this man was tired. So what he does, he remains there night, and you will find out the meaning of this crouched down threshold and fell asleep. Now king also sits there and sleeps. When he awoke in the morning, he found that the wounded man was looking at him intently, means staring at him. Whom? The king. The wounded man was staring at him. Now, after this, this wounded man is asking forgiveness from king. He's telling king, please forgive me, with a weak voice. Weak voice means कमजोर, बहुत ही कमजोर है. And when he saw the king, king was awake and was looking at him. When king got up, he was asleep. And then when he saw that this man is going on looking at him, then he is asking forgiveness. Please forgive me. Then the king is telling, I do not know you and I have nothing to forgive you. This who is saying the king is telling now. This man is asking, please, I am sorry. Please forgive me. Then king is telling, I do not know you who you are. Then why are you asking me sorry? Then I do not enemy of. Then this man is telling, I am an enemy of yours. When I came to know yesterday that you have gone to meet a hermit, and I came after you to hurt you. So when I saw this, and when I was coming to hurt you, I never knew that you are alone here. I thought you're. I knew that you are alone here. Your guards are behind. So what? I fell in the hands of your soldiers and they wounded me like anything. So but then bodyguards they were there and they recognized me. As I ran, I fell and was. Now the guards recognized me that your bodyguards and I ran and fell and was wounded. I should have bled to death. He's telling अगर मैं कब का मर गया होता अगर तुमने मेरी देखभाल नहीं की होती. I wished to forgive to hurt you and you have saved my life. He's telling, I wanted to kill you, but you have saved my life. Who is telling this? That man, wounded man. जो घायल हुआ आदमी वो बोल रहा है किंग को. If I live, I wish वो बोल रहा है कि if I live now, I will serve you with most forgive me. बोल रहा है कि अगर मैं जीना चाहता हूँ तो मैं आपके लिए जीना चाहता हूँ और मुझे क्षमा करो. After this, the king was happy to have made peace with his enemy. Now, king was very happy making peace with the enemy. Peace with the enemy. He not only forgave him, उसने ना ही उसको क्षमा किया परंतु उसको एक डॉक्टर भी भेजा उसके लिए उसकी देखभाल करने के लिए. To treat him and promise उसकी देखभाल करने और उससे वायदा किया कि मैं तुम्हारा प्रॉपर्टी वापस कर दूंगा जो धोखे से हड़प ली गई है. द किंग वेंट आउट एंड लुक्ड अराउंड फॉर द हर्मिट. अभी ये सब कुछ होने के बाद में किंग की वुंडेड मैन की देखभाल करने के बाद में तो हर्मिट बाहर गया और साधु के पास. आई विश टू वंस मोर टू बेग एन आंसर टू दिस क्वेश्चन बिफोर लिविंग. तो ये बोल रहा है कि राजा बोल रहा है कि मैं फिर से एक बार आपसे पूछ रहा हूँ कि मेरे 3 सवालों का जवाब दे दीजिए मेरे जाने से पहले. द हर्मिट वाज आउटसाइड सोइंग सीड. Now hermit was outside in the ground again where he was digging yesterday for sowing the seeds. Now what does the hermit say? So let us pay attention now. Then he answered. Now the king hermit is telling, what do you mean? Asked. Now king asked hermit again, please answer me to my this question. Then he says, do you not see? Do you not see? Replied the hermit. क्या आपको दिखाई नहीं देता? If you had not pitied my weakness, अगर तुमने मुझ पर कल दया नहीं दिखाई होती कि मैं इतना कमजोर हूँ मेरे से काम नहीं होगा, then you could not have helped me in digging the ground for sowing the seed, and you could not have remained here back. Otherwise, if you could have gone soon after that, talking to me when I didn't answer you, you didn't show me your pity. अगर आपको दया नहीं आती मेरे ऊपर, अगर तुम वापस चला जाता तो तुम्हारे साथ क्या होता. नाउ ही इज टेलिंग, वो इंसान तुम्हें अटैक कर दिया होता, आज तुम मरे हुए होते. सो नाउ व्हाट द hermit wants to say, now let us see. So the most important time was when you were digging the ground. तो उसने सवाल का जवाब बोला कि the most important time, सबसे महत्वपूर्ण काम समय वो था जब तुम डिगिंग द बेड्स, जब तुम बीज बोने के लिए खोद रहे थे जमीन को. एंड आई वॉज द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट पर्सन. नाउ आई वॉज द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट पर्सन एंड टू डू मी गुड and was your most important business. These are the answers here to these 3 questions. Dear students, please pay attention. 3 answers here. Afterward, when the man ran to us, the most important time. Now here begins the most. Now that man ran and came towards us, and that was the most important time when you were attending to him, when you were taking care of him, when you bound up his wounds and have. Otherwise, he could have died today without making peace with you. Since he was wounded and came before you, he could have asked you. He could have asked you sorry, and you made peace with him. So he is the most important person. What you did him was your most important work. As I explained to you, these things are more important. Here I have already underlined with a pencil, and so this is also the answer to his questions here. Now he says, remember then, there is only one there is only one remember then there is only one time that is right. Now Sadhu is telling, remember that there is only one time that is right, that is now. It is the most important time, but the only time when you have any power. The most important person is the one with whom you spend a particular moment. No no one knows whether you will ever meet that person in future again. So most important person is for your life is the one with whom you spend your particular moment, because you don't know tomorrow you are going to meet that person or no. And the important thing to do is to do good. So important thing is to do good, because for that purpose alone we are sent into this life. और उसी मकसद के इरादे से हमें खुदा ने इस धरती पर, इस जीवन में हमें धरती पर भेजा है. So I hope the children, you might have understood the story. There is a king who wants to get answers to his three questions to live a successful, achieved life. And now he's asking, what is the important time, and who is the important person, and what is the important work that I should do for my life. So here are the answers. In this paragraph you will get all three answers. So now the right time, what is the right time here? That is now, the important time. And who is the important person here? The one with whom you spend a particular moment, who no one knows whether you will meet him in future. The important thing is to do good to other, because the purpose alone are we sent into this life. So dear students, after this I have given you the word meanings of your entire chapter. So please complete all this, learn, and all these word meanings I need you to learn and write in your notebook. So dear students, for today only this much. I have explained to you the whole chapter, the whole story. You can go through the chapter once again through the video 1 and video 2. And in this exercise, in this video I am giving an exercise that you have to read the chapter and complete it. This is your homework, little homework, but you have to learn the word meaning also. The first exercise, follow the solved example to complete this course and effect chart based on the events of the story. The first one is already done for you, example here. The effect is written here. Now you have to mention the courses here. So this is your homework. Once again I will remind you, this is a homework for you, dear students. So I hope you might have understood the chapter. In tomorrow's video I will give the question answers and all the in-text questions once again. But now at time you have to learn all the word meanings and you have to complete this exercise. So dear students, all the best to do well and complete your work. Read the chapter, learn the word meanings. Thank you.